Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Device to OPPO A98. First of all, just open Play Store on both smartphones and download this free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both smartphones. Begin by clicking on I agree, then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the second one, I agree, Confirm, Continue, Allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Sorry, misclick. Then close it by hitting OK. If you wish to use this app without an internet connection, select Close in this pop-up at the top, and then click on gray switcher located next to the loop at the top right corner. If you don't want to do that, you can always click on the same, now red one. Following that, select Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of OPPO. Also on OPPO, scroll down just a bit to select the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to Motorola. You can finally use all of those categories available at the top to choose all of your files that you wish to transfer. You can also just click on the couple of them. I will go with this one picture. Wherever you decide, when you're ready, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom of Motorola. Then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on OPPO. Then allow camera access in the pop-up. And last but not least, just point your device's camera at this code. If you prefer to input this key though, tap on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive. As you can see, in the matter of seconds, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!